women's safety in India is a big concern. We cannot forget the 2012 Delhi gang rape case and even the recently Bangalore molestation case. In all these cases, system plays a great role. That is nothing. So who is going to take care of women? Obviously, women themselves. After watching a fantastic movie Dangal, the one dialogue which struck in my mind again and again was
हमारी चोरियां चोरों से कम है के?
Exactly. हमारी चोरियां चोरों से बिल्कुल भी कम नहीं है. There are variety of Indian sportswomen who made India proud. PT Usha, Sania Mirza, Saina Nehwal, MC Mary Kom, PV Sindhu, Geeta Fogart, Babita Fogart and many more. So why don't we encourage Indian women to use sports even for their self-defense? But is this true that women are not much aware about that?
Will there be a day when we could walk free? Free from mind, free from those passing comments, free from those devilish looks burning down our souls, free from those inappropriate touches leaving you feel sick. Do you think this would change, or are you ready to suffer forever? No. No more could we be seen as delicate, fragile, easy targets, feeble at self-defense. Leaps and bounds to not only protect themselves but make a mark. Taekwondo is one such art. It is a weaponless art of self-defense, particularly for women. It equips them with an arsenal of devastating kicks that can help combat the strength of a male attacker. Amazing, isn't it? There are many women grandmasters like Riki Ha, Park Jong-soo, Seraph Charles that are inspiration to millions, lying within us, waiting to be harnessed. So, do Taekwondo classes ring a bell?
When life knocks you down, what should you do? You have to get up and knock the life down. Because you can never expect the life to be fair all the time. So are the predators walking on dark streets. Who says women cannot fight back those predators in the world where the inspirations like Mary Kom, Laila Ali, Zulina Munoz exist? All these are renowned personalities in boxing. Boxing is such a game where you can knock down your opponent in just 3 seconds. But it is very important to learn that there is a technique involved in it. A roughly thrown punch could not move an inch of a person, but technically learned game could brutally damage the opponent. Of course, it is easier said than done. So girls, when are you all starting to practice? Unfamiliar faces and unfamiliar places. This idea can be very daunting for many of us, predominantly for women. Not because we are insecure about ourselves, but because we certainly do not trust the eyes that keep following us. Self-defense is a way of life. Speaking of which, we can learn this art of mixed martial arts to safeguard our own honor. It's a combat sport in which you can grab your opponent, hold it down, and in mere seconds, you have your advantage. It may sound like a difficult nut to crack, but believe me, it is not. Women like Ronda Rousey, Erica, Becky, Christian, they have not just done it, they have excelled in this. Ladies, let's be delicate and strong, both at the same time.
Can you imagine yourself walking alone on the street in a dark night? I know it's scary. In fact, it has always been. So, do we have a solution for this? Well, I have a very crucial piece of information for you. Judo. Yes, it has something very unique to offer to girls and adult women. It has different stand-up striking and grappling techniques that allow people with little stature to prevail brute strength. Moreover, the standing techniques of judo are impeccable for women and the security, as hip and thigh muscles of women have good strength. Many women judokians like Garima Chaudhary, Sushila Devi, Kalpana Devi are making our country proud. They have the confidence to walk in the Olympic crowd to get their medals and set a milestone for other women too. Through this empowerment, women will now feel safer and much stronger against those demons wandering in the lonely streets. So women, are we still going to give up, or are we going to start with any of the games like judo?
She's with me. A couple of sounds that I really like are the sounds of a switchblade and a motorbike. Yeah, I'm a juvenile product of the working class, whose best friend floats from the bottom of a glass.
In the end, I would just say that battles are not lost in the field, they are lost in your mind. Let's bring this transformation right here, right now. So like, share
And subscribe
Your very own channel,
Yarn Express.